Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Friday, the trading week is coming to an end for the traditional markets, and this week close is gonna be very important for Bitcoin. Currently you can see we are consolidating above this order block level right here, and I do expect for us to get a breakout. Of course, I have been talking on about my X also for this, keeping you guys up in real time what I am expecting. Of course, right here we were talking about a short down to the POC, but as you can see the short did not play out since price reclaimed the value area high once again and is currently also trading above the order block that we have right here. It is consolidating just around the high at $76,000, while the S&P 500 is almost hitting basically on the CME chart. We are sitting at around 7,113. So basically we are in a price discovery for the stock market, and we could see a rejection come from the monthly R3 right here. Since you can see we are pushing above the yearly R1, it is possible for the S&P to reach the yearly R2, but that will be like 6.5% more. It could be where the rally could end, or maybe somewhere in the middle, or the less bullish target, which is just like less than 0.5% or 1% move towards the monthly R3. And of course this is also gonna be very important for Bitcoin, how the stock market continues to move. Same thing with the dollar. The dollar is as of right now pushing lower. If we start breaking below this level right here, for example, we have a order block, and if we start losing this order block, we could target the monthly pivot support right here, the S2 sitting at around 97.6 for the dollar. The USDT dominance is also potentially gonna sweep this low right here, and same thing, target the monthly S2 pivot support. Basically USDT dominance, if you don't know, is basically inverse of Bitcoin. You can see how it is moving right here, and you can see Bitcoin is basically moving inverse of this chart. Basically the target does remain around $80,000. We could get a bit higher or a bit lower to front run this level, but the target remains somewhere around those levels. If we look at the open interest right now, we still don't have that much open interest coming to the market. I expect a breakout once we get some nice decent volume and price starts actually moving towards the upside. CVD is nice and bullish, as you can see right here. And this is actually good that not a lot of open interest has come into the market while we are moving up, since last time, as you can see, when we got a really big spike up of open interest, this is usually where the market topped out. Of course, short-term top out, we're still continuing this uptrend for now. Liquidation heat map, we still have a lot of liquidity stacking up on top right here, which could get, as I said, taken out very soon. Fear and greed index slowly grinding up. We are potentially, if we get another pump to like $77,000-$78,000, we could very well get into that greed zone very easily. Spot ETFs, we have 3 days in a row of bullish spot ETFs inflows. The bigger institutions have been accumulating slowly during this uptrend, which is also what is pushing price higher. Long versus shorts ratio for the day, we still have more longs, 22.7 billion in longs, quite a bit of a difference. You can see on Hyperliquid the bigger whales are still sitting long, which is nice to see. And we only got Trump speaking. It is already over, as you can see, so basically not much to come. And what I want to say with the weekly close for the stock market today, when the CME chart closes during the weekend, if we close this high right here, I do expect Bitcoin to actually have a pump during the weekend where we finally break out through those levels and reach this next level right here. Of course, this could very well also happen today during New York session open. We've got like 38 minutes until it opens. So this is my outlook for today, guys. Hope you liked it. Enjoy your weekend and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.